If Google Messages notification does not wake up your Samsung phone screen, then let us see what to do. Now in the latest model of your Samsung devices, when you get message from Google Message, then you will just hear the notification sound and you will see a brief pop-up that appears on the top, but it does not wake up the screen. This is how it is in new devices. Anyway, if you want Google Messages to wake up your screen, then you have to use third-party application called Glimpse Notification. Let me open Play Store and let me look for an app called Glimpse Notifications. After that, install this application. Once it is installed, open the app. Select Enable and you have to enable this Glimpse Notification application here. Now this application will be able to read all notification, including personal information such as contact name and the text message. So if you are concerned about the privacy, you might not want to use this application. So once you enable it, close this one. Now what you have to do is you have to open this Glimpse Notification app, select this option Fix, select Allow Notification, and once you do it, let me close this one and let me send a message. Now you can see when I receive message in Google Messages, it will wake up my screen. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.